Always go for stamina. Well, who do you want to start with? Oh, yeah. And why are we going to start with this one?
Because he is such a
Cutie pie. All right, sir. In order to earn a flower for your lady, all you have to do, people in the back, part like the right seat, this man's coming through. I want you to go out to that open area.
Get the stroller over.
Then we would like you to start beating upon your chest, yelling at the top of your lungs, I am an animal. Yes, I